All right, these are the journal notes for finding the area of a circle. We talked about circumference, and now we're going to talk about area. So page 77, we have our graphic organizer showing us what the circumference is, area, the diameter, and the radius. On page 78, it's all about how to find area. And then on page 79, we have an area and circumference flowchart. So we see the difference between area and circumference. All right, on page 77, we have our graphic organizer. We know that circumference is what's around. It's like the perimeter of the circle. It's the distance of all the way around the circle. So if you were to take a string and put it around the circle from one end to the other end, and then you were to measure it, that would be what your circumference is. To find that, C equals pi times diameter. And we know that for pi, we use 3.14. To find the area, you also have to use pi. It is pi times the radius squared. All I'm going to do is give you the formula right now. When we go to the next page, then I'll tell you how do we use this formula. The diameter goes through the center point and touches 2 points on the edge. So it's the part that goes all the way through the middle of the circle. The radius only goes from the center point to just the edge of the circle. So that's the difference between diameter and radius. All right, so we said that for finding area, the formula is A for area equals pi times the radius squared. So A is for area. For pi, we use 3.14, just like with circumference. We use 3.14. And then R is the radius. So with circumference, we use the diameter. For area, we're going to be using the radius. It's still that same 1, 2, 3 mindset. Still the same steps. First thing you do, copy down the formula. The formula for finding the area, A equals pi times the radius squared. Same thing. Number 2, you plug in the correct values. We're solving for the area. Pi is 3.14, and the radius for this circle is 10. Then we solve and label. Now the order of operations say parentheses, exponents, multiply and divide from left to right, add and subtract from left to right. So the first thing we have to do in this formula is the exponent. We have to square 10. 10 squared, that means 10 times 10 is 300. Bring down your A equals 3.14. And when you multiply 3.14 by 100, you get that the area is 314 centimeters squared. Because it's area, because you're multiplying the radius times the radius, your unit has to be squared. All right, let's try the next one. First thing I do, write down the formula. A equals pi r squared. Now I fill in the appropriate, correct information. Area equals 3.14 times 15 squared. Now we follow the order of operations, and that means that 15 squared is the first step that we do. Which is 225. I multiply that by 3.14. And I get 706.5 square inches. All right, number 4. Be careful because just like with circumference, sometimes it will give you the diameter instead of the radius. So if this is all the way across, this 28 is the diameter. I know that the radius is just halfway through. So 28 divided by 2 is 14. My radius equals 14 inches. Once you find the radius, then you can plug in your 1, 2, 3. Area equals pi r squared. Area equals 3.14 times 14 squared. Order of operations says to square first, do your exponents first. Area equals 3.14 times 196. And when you multiply that by pi, you get 615.44 square inches. And you can round that to 615.4. All right, so using the information that we just learned from the notes, pause this video and find the area of these 4 circles. Remember that area equals pi times the radius squared. All right, so for number 1, it gives us the diameter. So we're going to divide by 2 to find the radius. Area equals pi times radius squared. Area equals 3.14 times 6 squared. 6 squared is 36. And 36 times 3.14 is 113.04 square inches. Number 2, it gives us the radius. So area equals pi r squared. Area equals 3.14 times 3 squared. The radius squared is 9. And 9 times 3.14 is 28.26 square feet. Number 3, it gives us the radius. Area equals pi r squared. Area equals 3.14 times 5 squared. 5 squared is 5 times 5, which is 25. And 25 times 3.14 is 78.5. Number 4, the radius is 2. 3.14 times 2 squared. 3.14 times the radius squared is 4. And 4 times 3.14 is 12.56 square miles.